Hi guys, welcome to Overflowing Wealth. Now this is a video where I teach you how to make money using your smartphone or with no capital, little or no capital. Now I want you to think something. Have you taken time to check your environment? What are those things that you need to buy for your immediate use, and you check your environment, you couldn't get them? You have to go to the next street or the next third street or the next, take probably a taxi to a place where you could get them. Have you checked that? Or have you discussed with your neighbors or people around you or people in your community to complain or to ask where you could get something, or has anybody come to you to ask you where they could get something as a result of not being able to get it in your environment? That's a business idea. Look at those things that people actually need in your environment and they ask and they didn't get, that you have to go to other places to look for it. So that's an opportunity for you to start such business. You don't have to start it big, just look at it, tell people you could help them get it. Then buy it, sell it, then make profit, expand it, buy it, sell it, make profit, expand it, buy, sell it. Whatever it is, you can start anything at all. That is the problem. People feel there is what they can start. People feel there is what they can do. People feel there is what befit their status. That's the problem. People think about their status rather than meeting their immediate needs. So much that people even feel they are of a particular status and they are starving, and they are in a particular lack, they are in a particular need. So it's of a good idea that you think about what people need. Of course, that means there's a ready-made market for it. There is need for it. People want to buy it, but it's not available. Take the advantage. Think of it, no matter what it is. It could be fish. It could be tomatoes. It could be vegetables. Take the advantage. Buy it. Sell it for people. If you have it, the people will know that you deal with that. They will always come for it. And as you do that, you expand it. You begin to, bring other things that they might also need. And when they come, they know you can offer what they need. They will also come for other things. And from that, you can expand. Before you think of the status, think of meeting your immediate need, because you spend money every day. There is a daily need that needs to be met. So you need to find a way to make income too. I just feel to drop that for you. Please subscribe to this channel if you are new. Click it, comment on the section below. I will see you in the next video. Stay in an overflowing wealth.